Hi students and friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Ayaz. In this lesson, we will work out to make ionic equations from reaction equations. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be interpret and construct chemical equations with state symbols including ionic equations. Consider the reaction equation BaCl2 AQ Na2SO4 AQ BSO4S plus 2NaCl AQ. First, you need to check whether this reaction equation is balanced or not. Start counting the number of atoms of each element on both sides. It is balanced. Now look at the state symbols which with each compounds here. You will see here that except BaSO4, all of these have AQ as their state symbols. AQ, AQ, AQ. Only BaSO4 has S as its state symbol. What does these state symbols meant for? S indicates that the substance exists in a solid state. S substance exists in the solid state. L indicates that the substance exists as a liquid or in a liquid state. L substance exists in a liquid state. G indicates that the substance exists in a gaseous state. Substance exists in the gaseous state. AQ indicates that the substance is dissolved in water. Is dissolved in water. AQ comes from aqueous. What you have to do is to write ions for the compounds with AQ as their state symbols. Leave the formula as it is of the compound with state symbol like S, L, or G. We will get this. Ba plus 2 aqueous 2Cl minus aqueous 2Na plus aqueous plus SO4 minus 2 aqueous, and on the product side BaSO4 solid plus 2Na plus aqueous plus 2Cl negative aqueous. Be careful when writing the ions. You have to mention the correct number of moles for the ions which you will get from the formula of the compounds. Here you will see some common ions on both sides of the equations. First, let's see the common ions on both sides of the equations. They are called spectator ions. These are spectator ions. Spectator or common ions. So what we will do, we will cancel out these common ions on both sides of the equation. So the final ion equation for this reaction will be Ba aqueous plus 2 aqueous, SO4 minus 2 aqueous gives BaSO4 solid. Final ionic equation. Now consider the reaction equation below. AgNO3 aqueous plus NaCl aqueous gives NaNO3 aqueous plus AgCl solid. First of all, check whether it's balanced or not. It is balanced. Write the appropriate ions for the compounds with state symbols aqueous, in the next step, cancel out the spectator ions. The final equation will be this. For the next two equations, I am writing the final ion equations. You need to work out and cancel the common ions by yourself. For this reaction, the ionic equation will be like this. You need to work out the steps in between these two by yourself. For the last equation, final ionic equation. Do these by yourself. In this equation, this will form common ion. It will be cancel out, and this will also form a common ion. So this will also cancel out. In this equation, this will cancel out, form common ion. So you will get this as your final equation. Thanks for watching. Click like and share my videos. Please subscribe my channel.